My name is Lakshan Muralidhar Villewar. Today's topic is difference between array list and linked list. Firstly, array list and linked list is a part of list. An array is a collection of items stored at continuous memory locations. The idea is to store multiple items to the same type together. However, the limitation of the array is that the size of the array is predefined and fixed. There are multiple ways to solve this problem. In this article, difference between two classes that are implemented to solve this problem, named array list and linked list. Firstly, array list. Array list is a part of collection framework. It is present in java.util package and provides us dynamic arrays in Java. It may be slower than standard arrays but can be helpful in program where lots of manipulation in the array is needed. We can dynamically add and remove items. It automatically resizes itself. Then linked list. Linked list is a linear data structure where the elements are not stored in continuous locations and every element is a separate object with a data part and address part. Each element is known as a node. Due to the dynamicity and ease of insertion and deletion, there are preferred over the arrays. The following is an example to demonstrate. Now, after having an adequate understanding of both of them, let us discuss the difference between array list and linked list in Java. So, array list. This class uses a dynamic array to store the elements in it. With the introduction of generics, the class supports storage of all types of objects. In linked list, this class uses as a doubly linked list to store the elements in it. Similar to array list, this class also supports the storage of all types of data. Then second, in array list, manipulating array list takes more time due to the internal implementation. Whenever we remove an element, internally the array is traversed and the memory bits are shipped. In linked list, manipulating linked list takes less than compared to array list because in a doubly linked list there is no concept of shifting the memory bits. The list is traversed and the reference link is changed. Then in array list, inefficient memory utilization as compared to linked list is good memory utilization. In array list, it can be one, two or multiple dimensional. In linked list, it can either be single, double or circular linked list. And last is insertion operation is low as compared to linked list, insertion operation is fast. So that's all about the difference between array list and linked list. Thank you.